Welcome to another video to get a quality content. So here we have a lot of tools here and a lot of applications that gives you a hacker vibe or you can say a developer vibe. So let's start the video without wasting much time because we don't have time. Edges, yeah, you can control your smartphone edges with this application, like the top and the bottom edges and the both side edges. So what is this application for? So you can customize and can create action on a particular touch. Like here we have some inbuilt presets, like with the left edges you can control the volume like up and down, and with the right edges you can control the brightness of your font. And this is the standard preset, and although there is a lot of other presets available too, you can check here and you can customize that too, like how the particular edges work, how that particular size and how they show to you, and so many things. So with that you can customize a lot of things, like you can just swipe on some edges and you can control the notifications, the control center, and a lot of things. In the application a lot of tutorials available regarding that, so you can consider that for more information. Shape key, like I don't know how to pronounce it, but that is what is it now. So what this application does, so you can see clearly here it is showing my RAM uses, like which application currently running in my RAM memory. So it will help you to clear your RAM, like if you have a less RAM and you are using the heavy apps like the Google apps, they are taking too much RAM, so you can just by tapping here can close that particular app from the RAM memory. So of course you need a root permission for that. So if you are a guy like using the budget phone and who don't have a much computation power or have a less RAM, so this app is useful for them. Payload dumper. You might wondering what is a payload dumper. So if you are the custom ROM user or developer, then you know sometimes the ROM file contains payload.bin files, and we need boot images and other partition images sometimes for the specific task, like routing our Android or another extra stuff. Then here this application can help us, like you just need to put your files in that app and it will directly extract boot images or other partition images, anything you want for you. And also it can show the logs and some other customization related stuff, like the minimal customization in home feed. You might be wondering what is a home feed. It's actually a widget application that provides you to get frequently updates from the specific RSS feed. So first of all, people who don't know about the RSS feed, let me explain first, because of course you are not come here to just know about normal applications, like there's some generic widgets and like that generic application stuff. So the RSS feed is a web file that delivers regularly changing content such as news, headlines, summaries, links in a standardized computer reliable format called XML. So in easy words, it can give you a frequently update on specific niche like the news, sport, politics, and other things. So with this application you can add specific RSS feed and you can create a widgets that can provide you latest updates according to your need. Like if you set tag related RSS feed, then that will give you a tag news. You can see here on your screen like how it looks and how it feels to you. Even you can customize that widgets through here. We have a bunch of options like title and other stuff, and like interval, like how much interval you need to update this feed. So that is useful if you want to want frequent updates from your specific feed. Prism file manager, and if you are going to skip this part, then I will tell you this is not a normal file manager that you have on your device. This is an advanced file manager and it has some options that you will rarely see in any specific file manager. So with this file manager you can even check your root directory, like what is the file stored in the root directory, you can export the whole root directory, and you can play with APKs here, like you can see exactly which files and the XML files and the metadata that available in the specific APKs. You can even check that, and you can even extract the system applications from the specific directory. So it is a useful, and you can even check the permissions that application have and the advanced feature like the minimum HDK and the target HDK. It is mostly useful for the people who connected with the development related things. So yeah, and in terms of features and customization, we have a lot of features here. Like in the appearance, see you can even hide or add toolbars, and you can list the files, like how the list show to you, and the file operations, and then behavior, like what specific action does. You can also customize that, and yeah, then text editor and other features. So this is the file manager, and also it supports, like you can create a multiple tab here, so it is easy to use when you are doing file explorations, and you can know what to do with the application modification, right? If you watch this video till here, then I have a one bonus application for you. Maybe it is not useful for all of those people, but if you are a guy who take a lot of photos, and while you want to save some space and you are trying to delete your photos but you can't, so that time this application helps, because it's not easy to delete photos by just seeing the thumbnail. So with the left swipe you can delete the photo, and with the right swipe you can keep it. So you can just left swipe all the photos that you don't want to see on your mobile next time. So just swipe it and you can delete a lot of amount of photos in just one click. So this application is for you if you like want to organize your photo space. So if you like those applications, then you can check the description, all the links and credits available there. And thanks to Andrew Bucket for these applications, and you can check out his Telegram channel too. And another thing is, you can check the my Telegram channel for the exclusive content, and you can find a source where you can get more exclusive applications like this. So don't forget to check that out. Check the description, and you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Astu satyameva jayate.